Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam and Happy New Year. I thought for the first episode of the year that I would share with you a Desi hack video to help you with all the Desi recipes that are coming your way from Tastefully Balanced this month. So stay tuned. Alright, so for the first hack, I thought I'd show you how to get perfectly boiled eggs every time. So first, you just want to get a pot of water to a rolling boil and then drop your eggs in very carefully so that they do not crack. And then all you're going to do is cover your pot, turn off the heat, and wait for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you are going to put your boiled eggs in a ice water bath and wait for another 5 to 10 minutes for it to cool down enough to peel. Then the peel should come off very easily, and after that, if you cut your egg, you'll see it's perfectly yellow. The yolk is not green, which means that it's overcooked, and it's not too runny, which means it's undercooked. Just perfectly boiled eggs. So this next hack involves onions. If you're familiar with Desi cooking, you know there are a ton of onions in all the dishes, which means teary eyes. So to help with teary eyes, you can cut up your onion and have it soaking in water for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then when you cut them up, you will not have any runny eyes. For this next hack, all you need is a big bowl of garlic that you've already taken out of the bulb. You're going to pop this in the microwave for about 20 to 30 seconds, and then voila, look how easy it is to peel the garlic. If you go through garlic like me, this hack is a lifesaver, so definitely try this one out. Another very popular ingredient in Desi cooking is ginger, and if you're familiar with ginger, you know how hard it can be to peel. But with a spoon, it could not be easier. And you see that all the skin comes off and you're left with perfectly peeled ginger. For the last hack, we are going to make use of the peeled garlic and ginger that you did in the previous hacks by making our own ginger garlic paste. So what you're going to do first is take all of the garlic that you peeled, place it in a blender. In my case, I have a NutriBullet, and then you're going to add about a half a cup or so of water, just enough for it to blend very easily and create a paste. So then you just blend away until you have a very nice smooth paste, and then you place it in a ice cube tray to freeze overnight or for a couple of hours. And then I do the same exact thing with the ginger, and that way you have an ice cube tray filled with ginger garlic cubes that you can add right away to any curry, any stir fry, anything. And I just add it directly frozen into my frying pan or my pot, and it works perfectly, and you don't have to create your own ginger garlic paste every single time. Alright, there you guys go. 5 very easy Desi kitchen hacks that I'm sure you will find very helpful when it comes to Desi cooking. I use these hacks all the time, and it's definitely improved my time in the kitchen when it comes to Desi cooking. So if you like these types of video and would like to see more, please like, comment, and share. And please subscribe if you want to see future videos like these. And as always, remember to live life tastefully balanced.